Guys, today I'm going to make a video about three shoes. One is the Gucci, and the other one is Calvin Klein. And this one, I really don't know the brand of it, but it's really cheap, and I like it. You see, there is a map on it. It's a summer shoes. Anyway, let's open the Gucci shoe. The box is so hard covered, and you can feel the G textures on it. So quality. Say Gucci, France in 1921. And here we go. There's a little card of it. It's like a manual or something like that. And that's the Gucci dust bag. And it's so quality, I really like it. And there's something to say, which is made in Italy, and how to wash it. If you wash it or something. I won't, so. Anyway, let's open the shoe. Okay, here we go. That's the plastic bag to cover it. Okay, and let's see, that's the shoe. It's like Gucci, and the ties, I really like the ties. And inside of it says Gucci made in Italy. And I want to show that when you take this off, it's really hard to take it off. You can see the Gucci's in here, and if you want, you can put inside it. So it's just a detail of it to understand which is the fake or not. Okay, the other one is in here. And now let's open Calvin Klein shoes. Okay, here is the box. Actually, Calvin Klein shoes are not quality as Gucci's. So, but I really like this model. And that's the receive of it. And let's open. And also Calvin Klein has a project bag, plastic bag of it. And here is the shoe. Okay. You can see the C keys under the shoe. I really like these models, so it's like used shoes, but it's not. So there's a C key, Calvin Klein. And there's like a pipe or something like that, but it's paper. And it's a Calvin Klein. Okay, like this. So this is my Gucci and Calvin Klein shoe tutorial, and thank you guys for watching it. So, and actually I don't know the brand of these shoes. There's a box on it, but it's not its box. So, but if you guys want this, just let me know. I will check it for you. Okay, right. Thanks for watching, and so don't forget to subscribe me. So, bye.